to my bird watching video. I'm Ryan Steven from SJKT Sungai Manis. Today I'm gonna bring you all to few places in Kuala Langat to experience the birdwatch. What we have here, this is zebra dove. It's also known as barred ground dove. They are small birds but with a long tail. They are known for their pleasant, soft, staccato cooing calls. These are feral pigeons. Feral pigeons, also called city doves, city pigeons, or street pigeons that are descended from the domestic pigeons that have returned to the wild. This is white breasted waterhen. They are dark slaty birds with a clean white face, breast and belly. This is kingfisher. All kingfishers have large heads, long, sharp pointed bills, short legs and stubby tails. And that's all. I'll see you soon. Until then, goodbye from me.